Alright, so here's my hula hoop controller. I'm going to use it on Make-A-Sketch. I can see the benefits of labeling everything. Mine was not working and it was due to mislabeling. So here we go. This is my right, and then we go up, and then we go to the left, and then we go down, and there you have it. I can really see my students enjoying this. This was pretty neat to make, and I did seem a little complicated, but figured it out. The videos were helpful. So here it is.
Okay, here's my hula hoop controller. I'm using it to play Super Mario Brothers. So.
So this is my Hula controller. I've labeled your up, my left, my down, which is kind of coming off, and my right. Here's my Makey Makey over here. I am hooked to earth. I love this extra cord, or long cord I should say, because I'm hooked to earth here on my wrist. And I'm just going to play it on the sampler here. So I often think that I am a DJ, but I know I'm not. So here we go.